Hi Mahara,
We're back again.
we're back. And we're here to talk about our skills seminar number 4. Oh, that's 8. Okay, well, what did we do in this seminar? This seminar was,
Carlisle versus the
Carbolic Smoke.
Ball Company.
and it was a case analysis that we did.
And we had to find the ratio of the case, which we didn't even know what a ratio was.
Didn't even know what a ratio was. So, in this seminar, we actually got to learn what a ratio was. Should we define ratio? A ratio is, what is it?
A ratio is a decision made in the case that can be made by judges that can be applied to future cases.
Future cases, yeah, that's what a ratio is. So we learned what a ratio was, and we also learned how to summarize a case. Now, the case that we had was Carlisle
versus
Carbolic Smoke Board. In this case, what we learnt was that because it was such a lengthy case, we had to summarize it as much as we possibly could, which was quite a challenge, wasn't it?
It was very hard.
It was hard. And
The case was too long.
yeah, the case was just too long, but we had a lot of help from Emma Flynn on that.
We thank you, Emma.
We thank you, Emma. And it was quite helpful because she obviously explained again what a ratio was, and then she explained the quickest way to summarize a case. Obviously, she goes, it does involve you reading the full case.
Full case, but what
Yeah.
she said that you have to look for the key words, the key points, and where the judges actually start. And out, that's basically
Yeah,
the main bit.
she goes, you can't just read the first few lines and be like, oh yeah, that's it,
Okay.
I've summarized it. And then also, you know, we had to look at key elements what the judges said, which was quite important because obviously the judge's decision is what holds importance, so that was something that we had to consider. The benefits of this seminar, what do you think, Saba?
Happens very much with the legal analyzing text.
Yeah, such a big
Very
help.
much.
Big help for analysing legal text, because I think if we didn't have seminars like this, then I don't think we
We
would
wouldn't have known what to do
Yeah.
for the assessment.
and we wouldn't have known what a ratio is, and we wouldn't have known how to summarise
Summarize the case.
It's about, I think it's a skill picking out the key important bits, and I think we wouldn't have learnt that. It was very challenging though.
It was very challenging, but we managed.
Beneficial.
It was very beneficial.
Yeah. The only challenging thing was, I think it's because it's obviously we know law is all words, but it's just really hard like getting into it, reading it. And I think what Emma explained to us is that if you're doing a law degree, you need to be reading. So I think it was a bit of a wake up call that we have to read everything, anything and everything basically. So it's quite helpful. But overall, it was a beneficial seminar, and we learnt quite a lot.
And
Thank
no naughty
you.
table.
We
this
thank you,
time.
Emma.
We thank you, and yeah,
No naughty table. This time.
bye Mahara.
Bye.
See you soon.